Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google in your browser and searching for the image you need. This gets you straight into results so you can act. Once the images tab loads, scan thumbnails to find the best match and make sure you're viewing the larger preview by tapping or long pressing a thumbnail. You do this because the full preview reveals resolution and quality. Once you've confirmed the right picture, you're ready to bring it into your device for saving. Next, you save the image to your device by using the context menu, tap the three dots or long press, and select Save Image or Download. For Android, the file typically lands in Downloads and appears in Gallery. For iPhone, choose Add to Photos so it joins your camera roll. Make sure to inspect the file name and resolution before saving, because this determines quality in your gallery, if needed. Prefer higher resolution images to avoid pixelation when you view or edit later. Finally, verify the image appears in your Gallery or Photos app. Open the app and locate the file, confirming orientation and quality. If it isn't visible, make sure your browser has storage permissions and check the Downloads folder. Sometimes files land there instead. If the image is too large or in the wrong album, move or resize it within your Photos app so it's easy to find. If problems persist, clear browser cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.